How to turn on or turn off allow HTTP services for wallet testing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on settings. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer. If you do not have developer, tap on privacy and security. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer mode. In here, you can turn on developer. Now we go back to settings and then tap on developer. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on allow HTTP services. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And after that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.